And that is your mimosa. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison, and this is how I cook. This is Mixology Mondays, where I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite cocktails at home. Today, I'm showing you how I make the mimosa. The mimosa is arguably my second favorite cocktail, and I'm going to show you something that is a staple at brunch when I cook at home. Traditionally, a mimosa is made out of 1 part champagne and 1 part orange juice, but over the years, people have used different sparkling wines to accomplish creating the mimosa that they like. And I'm going to show you how I use Prosecco with a few other spirits to jazz up my mimosa. Up next on This Is How I Cook. Hey guys, before we get much farther into the recipe, do me a favor, hit that subscription button and turn on those notifications. It really does help grow my channel. So we have Prosecco. You can use any sparkling wine that you have, but I like Prosecco. Then there's also the orange juice. I try to use a high quality orange juice, but use your favorite orange juice that you have on hand. I've got some Grand Marnier to spice it up a little bit, and I'm gonna add in some Peach Schnapps. Traditionally, a Bellini is a cocktail made with peach puree and essentially the same components as a mimosa, but I'm going to add this peach flavor because 1, my girlfriend likes it that way, and 2, I do want to take it up a little bit of a notch for you guys. I've got a shaker full of ice, and I've also got a white wine glass, but just use a large enough wine glass or a large enough champagne flute to hold your mimosa, and we're gonna make an amazing cocktail up next. Okay, to start mixing up our mimosa, I'm gonna use 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. I'm gonna use 1/2 ounce of our Peach Schnapps, or in this case, a whole ounce, but about 1/2 ounce is all you want, or as much as you want in there. I put about 1 ounce in there on that pour. Next, we're gonna add our orange juice into our shaker. And so it's supposed to be about 1 part orange juice and 1 part champagne or sparkling wine. So we wanna get good dilution with the juice and the spirits we put in there. Shaker full of ice, give it a good shake. We wanna pour in our juice and spirit combination first. Last thing we wanna do is pour in our sparkling wine or champagne until we're about double of what was in there. And that is your mimosa. Okay guys, time for the taste test. Oh man. The first thing you get when you put the cocktail up to your nose is that you get a very faint hint of peach. That comes from the Peach Schnapps. The premium orange juice is definitely present, delicious. The sparkling fizz from the Prosecco, that subtle wine taste and flavor at the very end with the orange hints from the Grand Marnier makes an amazing cocktail for brunch or any time of day really, but traditionally for brunch. Once again guys, thank you for watching my channel. I'm Jamison and this is how I cook. Remember, hit subscribe. That's how you can say thank you for all the content. I really appreciate you guys and your support. Thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers. I can't believe we've already gotten to 300. I haven't even had a chance to really thank you for the first 100, the first 200, but now we're already over 300 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Take care. I'm gonna finish this mimosa to celebrate. Take care.